Keir Valen served the Iron Warriors Legion as warsmith of the 77th Grand Battalion during the Horus Heresy. Recruited into the 4th Legion from the Xenos slave world of Meru, Keir would rise through the ranks of his legion, gaining a reputation as a fierce warrior, earning the nickname Shatterblade after fighting a battle for 9 hours despite his chest being impaled with a Xenarch sword. Promoted to the 2nd Captain of the 77th Grand Battalion, Valen would wage war for 11 years during the Ferakon suppression and eventually would be forgotten by the larger Imperium. Garrisoned within the region, Valen and his men would be unaware of his legion's betrayal during the Horus Heresy, but be drawn into the civil war during M31-006 on the planet of Paramar 5. Fighting the Alpha Legion, Valen and his men would stand defiant against the traitor forces, yet be gravely wounded. Remaining loyal to the Emperor of Mankind and his Imperium, Valen would escape the forces of the Alpha Legion and Dark Mechanicum, never to be seen again.